Okay. Word problems. Ooh. It's actually not so bad. So, Deshaun and Meg are selling fruit for the fundraiser. Customers can buy a small box of oranges and large boxes of oranges. Deshaun sold one small box and 11 large boxes, right? So we're dealing with small boxes and large boxes. So I'm going to choose my variables to be S for small, L for large. Okay, so he sold, so we're gonna like write Deshaun's function, equation. Okay, he sold one small box. So I'm gonna call that one small box. And 11. Now, when I use L as a variable, I like to do cursive, so you know it's not a 1. But you guys don't do cursive anymore. Anyway, total of 195. May had 7 small and 11 large, equaling 243. So we can use a system. So I'm going to multiply one of these by -1. Now, if you're an Aspire 2 kind of cat, I'm going to skip a little steps, right? I just am going to rewrite the top one and make everything. I'm just going to make like a little barrier. I'm just going to make everything negative on the top because that's what multiplying by negatives do. Rewrite this one. 11. Man, this computer's terrible. 243. -1 plus 7 is 6s. Cancel, cancel, cancel. 243 minus 195. 48. Divide both sides by 6, and s is equal to 8. So the small boxes are $8. Now you take that 8, plug it in. All right, so let's erase small boxes. So I clean things up a little bit. I'm going to use Deshaun's function because the s is easier to work with. So it becomes 8 plus 11L equals 195. Subtract 8 from both sides. Subtract 8 from both sides, and 11L equals 187. Divide both sides by 11, and L. So the large boxes are $17. Those are a lot of oranges. Am I recording? Yes. Okay. Cody and Catherine, cheesecakes, pecan or chocolate? So I'm going to choose P and C. So Cody sold 2 pecans and 8 chocolate for $188. Catherine had 2 pecans and I messed everything up. Hold up. My bad. I combined people. So Cody had 2 pecan and 3 chocolate. My bad. For $88. I skipped an entire line before. Catherine had 2 pecans and 8 chocolate for $188. There we go. So really, I'm going to choose the top equation, multiply through by negative, which really just makes everything in here negative. Fair enough. That's a -3. Cancel. -3. -3 plus 8. -3 plus 8 is 5 chocolates equals 100. Therefore, chocolate is 20. And then you would plug in. I'm going to spare you. We've done it enough. You go ahead. Now, what I want you to try is this one. Enjoy. Pause your video, give it a shot.